Did you know that over 70% of professionals now rely on tech hacks to boost productivity and stay secure in 2025? The tech world is evolving faster than ever. Let's uncover the hacks that'll keep you ahead. Welcome to 2025, where tech hacks are your secret weapon to mastering work, play, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the hottest tech hacks trending this year. Game changers that make life smarter, safer, and simpler. Let's get started. Emerging tech is incredible, but it's not without challenges. AI tools flood us with options, yet 60% of users report decision fatigue. Cybersecurity threats are skyrocketing, with global cybercrime costs expected to hit $10 trillion this year. And let's not forget the chaos of managing smart devices that overpromise and underdeliver. The solution: innovative tech hacks that cut through the noise, streamline tasks, and keep you secure without draining your wallet. Let's break down the best tech hacks of 2025. Number 1. AI-powered workflow automation. Use tools like Elio's Health CareerEx or Notion's AI to automate repetitive tasks, like summarizing meetings or organizing notes, saving you hours weekly. It's like having a personal assistant for free. Number 2. Post-quantum cryptography setup. With quantum computing threatening traditional encryption, secure your data now using NIST's new PQC standards. Tools like HP's firmware updates make it easy to stay hack-proof. Number 3. Smart glasses for productivity. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses let you take calls, capture notes, and access AI assistant hands-free, perfect for multitasking on the go. Number 4. Edge computing for IoT. Sync your smart home devices with edge computing hubs like Samsung's Family Hub to reduce latency and keep data local, boosting speed and privacy. Number 5. Wearable health trackers. Devices like the VIV Ring use AI to monitor sleep and stress, giving you personalized insights to optimize your day, all for under $100. Note, these hacks leverage trends like AI, IoT, and cybersecurity advancements, but always verify app security before adopting. This is a full-on productivity revolution. Early adopters are reporting 30% faster workflows. From AI automation to spatial computing, these 2025 tech hacks are transforming how we live and work. They're not just trends, they're tools to boost productivity, enhance security, and simplify your life. Stay curious. Don't trust every shiny new gadget. Dig deeper. Choose wisely. What's your favorite tech hack for 2025? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and be the first to get our videos. Thank you for watching.